Hello, hello, hello. We have got fresh Magoo action, people. We've got fresh Magoo right here. World premiere exclusive action. How did we obtain this this exclusive Magoo action? Well, I'll tell you. Our good friend Bama Mike has provided me a little teaser clip. And I'll tell you what's even better than that is right after this stream, which will only be about 15 minutes long, he is going to have a longer video on the topic. But I have seen the clip he has sent me. It's already good. It's already good. And then I've also got a really fun clip from we got, it's been a little while. It's been a little while since we've seen Judge O'Donnell. You won't believe this, but he's still kind of cranky. Let's get this party started. Big shout out to Bama Mike. And there will be a redirect. And if not, then just go over there after this stream. I set it up. I'm just, I just don't know if it'll work because, well, I was involved. Let's do this.
Hey, Daniel. Hey, wake up. What's your last name? Daniel what? It's only going to go further. You're going to already go to jail. I'm trying to help you out here by identifying yourself so we can speed this up so you can get out of jail sooner.
And then you could also give failure to identify to a police officer.
There's more charges, dude. I'm trying to help you out. What is your last name?
That's fine. We're going to get your ID anyway, but like I said, you're just digging yourself into a bigger hole. So,
Daniel what? Booker? Say one more time for me.
M-C-G-O-U-G-H.
You heard it? MC what? G-O-U-G-H? Bet. Sergeant got it. Yeah.
You said what?
Nah, I was listening to you the whole time, bro.
313.
348.
He will too.
348.
Yep.
0459.
You f***ing sloppy, bro. Yeah, you. What? What?
Yep.
That's
Yeah.
Magoo. Magoo. Okay. Magoo. Hey, stop spitting.
No, I'm just trying to have you hear what you're telling my friend over here.
Okay. Hey, do me a favor. Roll his one.
Goofy.
We're done.
You
with him.
goofy.
We're done with him. All right.
Okay, before we get into this, I don't know. I can tell you this. It is not the DV case that we had a prelim for. It is not the time that he wrapped himself around the mobile sign. Or as my commenters pointed out, the immobile sign. It is not the time he got pulled over on 94 and made a jerk out of himself and got arrested. No. It's none of those incidents. It's another one. Also, in terms of the timeline, the incident happened after all of those events. So I don't know what it is. I'm going to have to go over to Bama Mike's channel after this and watch it with the rest of you. But that's what we're dealing with. All right, let's see what Judge O'Donnell's got up his sleeve here.
Thank you, Your Honor. We're here today in the state of Ohio versus Archie Coley, case number 24CR001292. Defendant is present in open court today with his counsel, John Patica. Your Honor, we're here today for sentencing. The defendant was last before Your Honor on March 20th of 2025, where he pled guilty to count 1, trafficking in cocaine and felony the 4th degree with the forfeiture specification, and count 3, trafficking in cocaine and felony the 5th degree with the forfeiture specification. At that time, a pre-sentence report and drug and alcohol evaluation was ordered, and sentencing was scheduled for April 30th of 2025. Defendant did not go to probation following that hearing, and he also did not appear for the sentencing on April 30th of 2025. His bond was revoked and a warrant was issued. He was in on the warrant on July 21st of 2025. Following that time frame, the drug and alcohol and pre-sentence report were completed and provided to the court, and all parties are prepared to go to sentencing at this time. Thank you.
Okay, Mr.
Patika.
Good morning, Your Honor. I've had an opportunity to review the PSR as well as the drug and alcohol evaluation. We're ready to go forward. I'd like to highlight the fact that while acknowledging that Mr. Coley has a fairly extensive criminal record and prior stints in prison, he is acknowledging that he has a problem and needs help. We're respectfully requesting the court consider the recommendations that are included in the drug and alcohol evaluation.
What happened? What happened? You were supposed to be over, you left here, were supposed to go over there, and you disappeared.
Yeah, my urine was dirty, Your Honor, and I got some bad
Was that,
news.
was that gonna be a shock to me?
No, it wasn't.
All right.
No, it wasn't.
So what'd you do?
So then, I got some bad news, and I just didn't want to show up.
Okay, so now what?
Now I'm tired. I'm tired of all this I'm doing. I'm tired.
You told me that last time, though.
Huh?
I said you told me that last time.
I know, I let it go in one ear and went out the next ear, sir. I'm tired. I really am. I'm tired. Too over this shit, man.
So what are you gonna do about it?
I want some help. I'm tired. Like I said, I'm tired. I'm tired of smoking this shit. I'm really, excuse my language, I'm done. I got put out, threw out in the street. Say what? I'm ready. I'm done, sir. That's all I can say. I need some help. I'm done. I really am.
Who's here? Who's in the back today? Who do we have today?
His cousin was tired. I'm Latoya Williams, sir.
Okay. Everybody's tired. I'm tired too, because you keep telling me the same shit every time you come back here.
No, sir.
So what have you done to get yourself help?
Hurt the ones I really love.
Okay.
Nieces, my nephew, the ones who really love me, they
Okay.
keep lying to them. Just keep lying to them. I'm done. I mean that. I'm done.
Okay. So what have you tried to do, because you can't keep away from the drugs, right? And it's been going on for 40 plus years, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what have you done to try to get off the drugs?
Won't no spot accept me because I got an arson.
I know.
I've tried everywhere to go. They don't accept me because I got an arson on my case. I like to set stuff on fire, that's what they say.
Where's the last place you worked?
I worked at Arrows, company uniform, off 131st in St. Clair.
Doing what?
Watching company uniform and stuff like that. Name of it was Arrows. They moved out on Warner Road now, somewhere out there on Warner Road.
When was that? When did you work there?
It's been some years, Your Honor. And then I went from there, then I was a roofer. That's when I hurt my back. I got getting Social Security.
You take any medication?
Yes.
What do you take?
Take all type.
For what?
Blood pressure, diabetes pills, all kinds. And I had, 3 slight heart attacks since I was locked up. So I'm taking that.
You mean since you were locked up this time or before?
This time too. I passed out in Belmont twice. It should be on record. Passed out twice. Walking the yard one time, then going to chow hall. Passed out.
What was the cause of that?
They said my blood pressure was up too high. And my sugar.
Is that when you were in prison?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you got out June 4th. That didn't deter you from using the drugs though, right?
No. No.
Why not?
I don't know, Your Honor. I really can't tell you. I really can't. See, y'all never use no drugs, so it's hard to explain to y'all. You know what I'm saying? It's like a high. It's like a different high.
Uh-huh.
See, everybody smoke weed, do pills, and that. That was my main thing doing. Smoking. I'm tired of it now.
So you liked it, right?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
I ain't gonna sit there and lie to you. Yes, I did. But
Well, that's
now
all right.
I'm tired of it.
I'd be concerned if you told me you didn't like it, but you kept doing it anyway. I mean,
Right, right.
problem is you keep ending up back in here. So I don't know, you got,
That means I need some help. Leaving that shit alone, Your Honor. Excuse my language again. I need some help. I'm tired.
I mean, it seems like every time you touch this stuff, you get caught by the cops. All right. Ms. Cutts?
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, this is a case again where Mr. Coley is purchasing from confidential informants. It's not necessarily more or less serious than what we've seen before, what these types of cases are. What is highly concerning to the state is the recidivism factors. The defendant has had criminal convictions going back to 1982. I know the court has been through them before. I won't go through all of them, but 82 he started with the arson that was mentioned. He was given probation violation. He's had theft, sexual battery, attempted to receive stolen property. He was given an opportunity in 1986 with his conviction for trafficking in drugs and distribution of marijuana to go to the Ohio Vocational Rehabilitation. He had a probation violation in that case. First time, I believe the first time he went to prison was in 1990 for F2 trafficking in drugs. He had 5 parole violations. In 2008, he has attempted escape with 3 probation violations. And he went to prison, possession of cocaine, more trafficking in 2014 with prison, 2019 an attempted possession, his multiple possession of drug paraphernalia in 2020 and 2023. And then this court last dealt with him for the possession of cocaine, attempted illegal manufacture, and trafficking in cocaine, and then a second case of possession of cocaine. He got 12 months prison in that. Those were from 2018 and 2020. He got out, as the court stated, on June 4th. These offenses occurred in September, so approximately 3 months out before he's back to being caught selling again. He's been to prison 5 times on 6 cases. Obviously, his drug issues are ongoing. He didn't show up to probation to do his initial paperwork or interview. Then he didn't show up for the sentencing hearing either. He hasn't responded favorably to previous sanctions. The state does not believe he's amenable for community control, so we do think prison is consistent and appropriate in this case. He does have 36 days of credit, the forfeiture of the contraband, the cocaine, and the packaging, and we'd ask that the remaining counts be dismissed. That's the state's recommendation at this time.
Okay, I reviewed the pre-sentence report and the evaluation. Listen to Mr. Coley, listen to counsel, considered all the provisions in 29, 29, 11, 12, and 13. I'm going to place you on community control for 2 years. You're going to serve 81 days in jail with credit for 36. The last 30 days, you're going to be in the jail treatment program. You're going to complete that program and follow their recommendations. You're to have no drugs or alcohol, and you'll be screened. You're going to complete the decision points program. You are going to receive a mental health evaluation and follow all the recommendations. Attend at least 3 AA or NA meetings per week and get a sponsor. And pay the costs and supervision fees. Mr. Clement, any other terms? Mr. Coley, do you understand the terms?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, if you violate, the state will file a motion to terminate your community control. And if I find you violated, you face 30 months in prison. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So you want help? Because you
Yes, I
haven't
do.
had any help, you're going to get help.
Thank you.
Okay? But you need to do with that what you're going to do with it so that it helps you, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And if you want it, it's there for you. If you don't, then we'll see you the next time, right?
That's right.
Anything,
But you won't see me next time.
well, I hope not. Items forfeited, remaining charges dismissed. Anything else, Ms. Cutts?
Is that community control concurrent on both counts?
Yeah. Mr. Fatika, anything else?
No, thank you very much, Your Honor.
Okay.
All right, I'm headed over to Bama Mike to see what Magoo did.